Dobar dan svima, or good day everyone. This is JB from Tourventure, and I am your tour guide for today's virtual tour in the country Croatia, also known as the Land of Thousand Islands. This country has a rich culture, nature, gastronomy, and history through the years in East Europe. Before anything else, I want to introduce to all of you our driver for this tour, Mr. Petrovic. He has been a driver for 15 years and he will bring us to every destination safely. Before we proceed to our tour, we will have a head count. Let's begin with 1, 2, 3, and 30. You are all 30 tourists. I am happy since you are many. Next is our city is the one of our priority. Please listen to my friendly reminders so that our tour becomes smooth and enjoyable. First is to look for your partner and walk with a pair. Second is always check the time for every destination and always look for your partner so no one can be left behind in any destination. And last is to be familiar with the action that I do. If I whistle once and wave a flag like this, meaning we need to go back to the bus to proceed to our next destination. And if I wave this flag like this, meaning I will share some trivia and facts about the country that we are traveling to. I can see to the face of all of you that you are excited. So let's begin our tour right now. Before we proceed to the tourist destination, I will first introduce the country Croatia. The country's capital is Zagreb, and Croatia's territory covers 56,594 square kilometers, making it the 26th largest country in Europe and ranked 127th in the entire world. The population of this country as of 2023 is more than 4 millions and it ranks 27th for the highest population in Europe and 130th ranks in the entire world. The official language of country is Croats or Croatians, and it is also the nationality of the peoples of the said country. Now we will start our tour to the top 10 best tourist destination in Croatia. First on the list is Zlatni Rat Beach, Croatia's most photographed beach, which has to be the remarkable Zlatni Rat or Golden Horn in English or Golden Cape in other terms. Located in Bol on the south coast of Brac, this usually landform known as a spit is made up of fine pebbles and runs 500 meters perpendicular to the coast. Depending on local winds and currents, it moves and shapes change from season to season. Extra attraction on the beach include the water sports such as paddle boats, sea kayaks, and banana boats rides. Zlatni Rat is also Croatia's top windsurfing destination. Brac is accessible by ferry and catamaran from Split. Our second destination is Brijuni National Park. Lying off the Istrian Peninsula, this archipelago of scattered, pine-scented islets has been designated as National Park o National Sea Park Brijuni. The largest island, Velvrijun, is covered with beautifully landscaped parkland and is open to visitors year-round. This island is also home to the abundance of unique flora and fauna, along with evidence that dinosaurs once roamed here. The island has 2 hotels along with a golf course and the ruins of a Roman villa. To get here, catch the National Park boat from Vazana on the mainland 7 kilometers north of Pula. Speaking of Pula, our third destination is Pula's Roman Arena. Located on the coast of Adriatic in Croatia's popular Istria region, the historic city of Pula is well known including on your travel initiatory. In addition to its lovely seaside setting, including a number of fine beaches, Pula is well known as the well-preserved Roman architecture and makes for an excellent day trip for those staying in other parts of the country. Pula's Arena or Pulska Arena, ordered built around the 1st century by Emperor Vespasian. It's one of the largest surviving Roman amphitheater, revived only by its famous cousin, the Colosseum in Rome. Dubrovnik Old City is our fourth destination, Croatia's most glamorous tourist destination and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Centers on the magnificent Old Town area, contained within sturdy medieval defensive walls. Dubrovnik is one of the most beautiful cities in Croatia. Many publications consistently rank it among the 5 most beautiful destinations in the Mediterranean. And they are right. Yes, they are right. This beautiful city is rich in culture and even richer in history. Its well-preserved medieval core imposing city walls, the cliff top, seaside location combine and make it almost unbelievable picture-key. Facts about Croatia. The Dubrovnik Old Town was the actual set of the famous HBO's Games of Thrones and Star Wars The Last Jedi, which definitely contribute to the surge in tourists to see and feel the real life setting of the said fantasy drama. Our fifth destination is Split Lake National Park, Croatia's most visited inland attraction. Split Lake National Park encompasses steep forested hillsides surrounding 16 emerald blue lakes connected by a succession of thundering waterfalls. A network of footpaths and wooden bridge crisscross the park, the country's first national park, and the entrance ticket includes boat and rides across the lakes. Welcome to the sixth destination, the Diocletian Palace in Split. Split, Croatia's second biggest city after Zagreb, the country's capital, was established within the ancient Roman walls of the huge Diocletian Palace, or Diocletianova Palaka. Situated overlooking the Adriatic Sea, it was built by Roman Emperor Diocletian, who retired here in 305 AD. Things to see include the magnificent peristyle, an arcaded courtyard, where you all find the Cathedral of St. Domulus with an elegant bell tower. The old town is pedestrian-only zone and has been proclaimed a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Speaking of Zagreb, our seventh destination is Zagreb Gornji Grad. Zagreb's main sightseeing area is the medieval Gornji Grad, or the Upper Town District. Here, popular tourist attractions include the cathedral with its neo-Gothic facade, twin steeples, and treasury with its large collection of religious arts and artifacts, and the Croatian's Parliament. Also worth seeing are the Church of St. Mark with its famous colored tiled roof and the 13th century Tower of Lotraxa with the climb of 4 fantastic views over the city and the surrounding area. Also, the sure catch most people favorite, the much-loved Museum of Broken Relationships. Facts about Croatia. Did you know that the necktie was invented in Croatia? The necktie or cravat is said to have its root in the 17th century, when Croatian mercenaries wear a unique piece of cloth around their necks. The French term for necktie is cravat. Actually comes from the Croatian word vastka. Our eighth destination is the town of Korčula, the chief settlement on the island for the same name in South Dalmatia. Sits snugly on a tiny peninsula protected by medieval walls and towers. Its carved stone alleys are laid out in a herringbone pattern so as to give shelter from the prevailing winds. Packed with centuries-old aristocratic stone buildings, Korčula was built at the time when the island was under Venetian rule. The top points of the interest include the Marco Polo House, said to be the birthplace of the renowned 13th century explorer, while one of the best things to do is to catch the performance of the Moresca sword dance, a traditional dance staged for tourists just outside the town walls on summer evenings. Lastovo Island is our ninth destination. Lastovo is a Croatian most remote island. Situated far in the southern Adriatic, it's an island of spectacular natural beauty, surrounded by 46 other islands and islets. It is connected to Split by a ferry line, which usually also stops at other islands. According to the Greek mythology, Lastovo was known as Zeus Island. It was later referred to as an imperial island by the Romans. Ancient villas are testimony to island's storied past, which has been remarkably peaceful. Exploring the archipelago by boat is deal as you be able to visit hidden coves and bays that are inaccessible by land. Our 10th and last destination on our tour in Croatia is Cres Island. No stress on Cres is the motto of the tourism board for this charming island. in the Crowther region of the North Adriatic. Crest boats, sleepy villages, verdant pastures, gorgeous hidden beaches, picturesque bays, and rugged cliffs that are home to the local Grifton vultures. In the heart of the island lies the freshwater of Brana Lake, a rather remarkable geographic features for an island that is so narrow. Despite all the island offers, Crest remains a relatively undiscovered gem. To this day, there are more sheep than people, and the only major developments are a few summer resorts found in southwest. Please pack your things, tourists, and back to the bus, and we will go home. Before we go home, tourists, I have one last question. Did you enjoy the tour, my dear tourists? The smile on everyone's faces tells me the answer. I hope to see all of you again. It is a wonderful and fantastic day for me to be your tour guide for today's virtual tour. Once again, this is your tour guide JB. On behalf of the Tour Venture, we wish you a safety trip. Dovin Denja!